In this video, we are going to look at how you can install Git on your Mac, and we are going to use Homebrew. So if you don't know what Homebrew is, it's some kind of tool that lets you install those developer tools like Docker, Git, or VS Code, and it's by using simple terminal commands, which makes it really easy. And the first thing in order to install Git is you want to search for it. So go to your browser and search for Git. You want to open this first official website, and here you want to click on install for Mac, and you will have some options. So we are going to use Homebrew, this first option, but you can also use Mac ports or Xcode command line tools. Now, if you already have Homebrew or you don't know if you have Homebrew, what you can do, you can basically go to your terminal. I'm gonna open terminal, and you can type brew dash dash version. And if you get this error, command not found, it's probably going to mean that you don't have brew, so we can simply install it by using commands. So I'm gonna click on this homebrew icon, and here you can see we have to paste this command into our terminal. So I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna paste it in, command V, press enter. Now it wants a password of your system, so just type your password. And after you entered your password, it's going to show you some directories which will be created in order to install Homebrew. And to continue, we just need to press enter on our keyboard. Now it's going to download and install Homebrew. So in my case, it took like maybe 40 seconds. It depends on your internet speed. And when it's installed, it's going to show you those next steps where we have to add those commands in order to add Homebrew in our path. So you need to basically copy this first one, this second one, and this third one command and paste it in the terminal. So I'm gonna select it, copy the first one, simply paste it in, press enter. Now you can copy the second one, and you can do the same with all of the three commands. And after you did this, we can run brew help, and this should show us some commands. All right, so you have, for example, example usage, you have troubleshooting, so you can do brew config. And if you see all of those things, it means brew is installed. We can also check the version. So I'm going to type brew space dash dash version. And you can see we have Homebrew 5.1.12. So this means we have Homebrew installed. And now we can move to Git and go back to this Git official website and simply copy this brew install Git. Go again back to your terminal, paste it in, and press enter. And now it's going to install the Git, as you can see. So you have to wait a few seconds. After this is done, you can simply type the same command as with the brew, so git / version. And if you see the number like git version 2.50.1, this means your Git is installed on your system. And now you are ready to start using Git. You can connect it to GitHub, manage your projects properly, and that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.